Okay, so now we're going to look at some examples that go in the opposite direction. We still use the same formula where your new salary is your present salary plus a merit increase plus your cost of living allowance. But we're going backwards. We're given the new salary and we're asked to find the present salary. So here's Nirmal Kumar. He's a senior manager, and after his annual performance review, he received a 6.2% merit increase and a cost of living increase of 2.4%. His annual salary after the increases was $92,610.50. What was his salary before? So again, we're going backwards. Instead of having the present salary, we have the new salary. So let's take a look. So we're supposed to have new salary equals, so new salary was $92,610.50. That's supposed to equal the present salary. Well, we don't know what the present salary is. That's what the problem was. So we call that X. Plus his merit increase. Now his merit increase was 2.4% of his current salary, his present. So we're going to point 0.024x, because remember, to find that we would take 0.024 times his present salary, and that's what we don't know. Plus cost of living. Now cost of living up here was 6.25%. Move the decimal over 2 places, and we take that times his present salary, which once again we don't know, so we're just calling it X. We need to solve this equation for X. Notice we have one X here. These are all X's, so we can add them together. So we add the 1 plus 0.024 plus 0.0625. Be really careful with your decimals here. Okay, so when we do that, we come down to having $92,610.50 equal to 1.0865x. Want to solve that, so we're going to divide both sides by 1.0865. And we'll have our answer. And we get $85,237.46. So his original salary, his present salary was $85,000. He got those raises and it raised him up to $92,000. Let's do one more like that. Okay, this question is the same, but it's giving you the hourly rate, but again, very similar. So it talks about he gets an annual performance review, or she, excuse me, and she receives a merit increase of 6.75, a cost of living of 4.25, and now earns $24.01 an hour. What was her hourly wage beforehand? So remember, it's the new salary is equal to the present plus your merit increase plus your cost of living allowance. Let's put in what we know. We know the new is $24.01. We don't know what the present salary is. That's what we're trying to figure out. The merit increase is going to be 0.0675 times our present salary that we don't know. So once again, we put an X there. And the cost of living is going to be 0.0425 times our present salary, which again, we do not know. Again, we're solving here, so we take our 1x and add it to the 0.0675 and the 0.0425, which altogether is 1.11 when you add those together, x, and it equals 24.01. Our last step is to solve for x. It's times 1.11, so we do the opposite of multiplying, and we divide by 1.11. And it looks like It looks like originally she made $21.63. Okay, so there's a few examples of finding the original salary when you're given the salary after the increase.